Hey guys, we have here this digital combination lock for office drawers, and when this battery icon here, then when that starts blinking in orange or yellow, then it's about time to replace the battery. So in this video we want to show you exactly how this is done. First we start out by removing this little black cover here that's on the left side. Just peel that off, should come off really easy, and then on the top, that's where we find a small screw, and this is not a Phillips or a regular flat blade screw. This is a Torx 6, so this is a special kind of screw that they put in there. So we're going to unscrew this really quick. It's just a couple of turns. Make sure you don't lose this tiny screw here. And then we can pull out this black part. You just pull it to the left, and that is already here the battery tray. So we're just going to take out the battery out of there, and what we find in here is this coin cell battery of type CR2032. This is just a very common coin cell battery. And now the new replacement battery just put in there, just as we found the original one. You can see there was this plus icon written on the tray, so that's where the plus, the positive side of the battery should go, and the negative side goes then on the opposite side. See here, there's the plus icon also on the coin cell battery. And now we push the tray back into the lock, and by removing the battery we don't automatically unlock this lock here. It's still locked. So but now let's put the screw back in, and then also put the small little black cover back on so that we don't see the screw head anymore. And now still the lock is in the lock position, and we have to use the last pin that we used to lock this. Okay, so now this was already it. Battery is replaced, the orange light is off at this point, so we are all done.